Okay, so this is the hotel. That's where you can eat and stuff. And then right there's a gazebo. And then if you look down, there's a waterfall, and my parents are standing there, but you can't see them. So that's okay. And then if you look through here, you can see the front entrance and the main desk. They have cookies there. It's pretty cool. So, and it's just really, really pretty here. Some guy was watching me. Awkward. So yeah, these are the rooms. And then the elevators. This is really cool. There's the waterfall. And then we'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go play a game of pool.